Hey, if you wonder if you can record phone calls on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, then as a default on this smartphone there is no way to do this. But in the Google Play Store you can actually find an application called Cube ACR. This is the call recorder, but it's some kind of the risk because you actually install this application and allows for all permissions for location. You allow to record your calls. So for me, this is I don't feel safe while using this application. So I'm not using this one. But if you really need to record your calls and you want to take a risk, you can try to actually get this application on your phone. And once you actually download it, and you can find some description that you need additional application, the Cube ACR helper. Here is the information. And this application you have to actually download from the browser, from the Google Chrome or basically any other browser, because it's actually not available in the Google Play Store. So here you can find description how you can actually get this second application. So that will be all. Right now, please subscribe.